In previous video we made this sign in page, so in this video we are gonna make a sign up page. So let's select this frame sign in page and let's duplicate this page like this and let's rename it into sign up. So in sign up page we have to change few things. You can see in the wireframe the things like we have to change the sign up button, we have to add some extra lines like confirm password, and also we have to change the sign up. So let's make those changes. Okay, let's first let's change the color of this font. Currently it is kind of lavender color, so let's make it white and let's move this rectangle on the right side. Okay, it is adjusted now, so let's change the color of the login. So currently it is white, let's make it this color. Okay, now what we have to do is that we have to add one more line, that is gonna be our confirm password. So let's move this forgot password a little bit downward like this, and let's copy this line. Let's copy this password and this line, hold alt, drag it downwards. Okay, our confirm password is created now. Okay, let's align them together. Select email, hold shift, select all the things, password, confirm password, and this last line, and go to align setting and click on more options and choose distribute vertical spacing. Okay, it is aligned now, you can see here. So let's move this forgot password a little bit upwards. Okay, like this. So currently we are on sign up page, so let's change into sign up. Let's align it horizontally. You can see it is aligned in the center now. So one thing is remaining, that some icons like you might see in some apps where you have the eye symbol over here. Okay, let's add those eye symbol. Go to asset, click on this team library and toggle these feather icons and search for eye. Okay, you can see the eye symbol, so let's use this one. So let's decrease the size of it up to like let's give up to like 60. So let's change the color of it. Currently it is black, so we are gonna choose this color of same color of this password and let's select, hold alt, drag it on sign up page, also on the confirm password. So the last thing is remaining, that is the menu page. You can see the wireframe of it. So in the next video we are gonna make that menu page. So that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.